好，離開聚會地方行冇耐，呢度咧就係阿 Joseph 成家10幾人住嘅地方喎。好，我哋而家入去啦。好，我見到阿 Mary 啊。Hello，hello。哦。Yeah，哇，你睇下好大喎，好大喎，真係好整齊，好整齊。Bola， yeah， bola。
Bola binaka.
Yeah， bola vilaka。
Bola binaka.
We prefer it spacious like this.
Oh.
Because all the children at night.
Oh, sleep here.
Don't sleep here.
Oh, on the floor.
On the floor. They put the mattress.
Yeah, bamboo.
Yeah, it's
Fiji mat.
Fiji mat.
not from bamboo, but
Not from bamboo?
Pandanus leaf.
pandanus leaf.
Pandanus leaf.
Pandanus it grows in the seashore sometime on the sea.
Oh. Oh.
Which end is going to Suva?
Yeah. This is our kitchen.
哇，好大，好大，好大。哦，好整齊，好整齊。
The kitchen with a big table.
Big table, yeah.
Kitchen.
哦，
Here we prepare food.
係喎，哇，一大張台
Whole family.
，whole family sit here and then take dinner。哦，哦，有個 long
Long
bench。
bench, yeah.
哦，
Oh,
犀利，犀利，犀利。
more beauty than my house.
係啦，more beautiful，好整齊，好整齊。
More beauty than my house.
好，喺Joseph 屋企行翻出嚟咧，我哋就自己慢慢咧行翻去 centre 啦。好啦，咁啊見到佢間屋，哇，真係好又大又整齊。咁啊一家十幾人喺度食飯，真係犀利，真係。
張台有冇影？
張台冇影，入到去有錄影嘅時候。
哇！張台真係
係
好厲害。
由一棵樹嗰度做出嚟嘅。好啦，咁要行翻去咧都好近嘅啫，前邊轉個彎就係噶啦。咁啊，好啦，好開心，識到佢哋，同埋知道佢哋嘅心真係好好啊，好誠實，好愛主，好愛弟兄姊妹咁樣。
一講沙田，佢就知道真大屋的故事。
好有對過去嗰種回憶啊，好識得感恩嘅人。咁啊，感謝主啦，將呢間屋俾咗佢哋一家啦。